Hello YouTubers, here's another video here with a Microsoft 3000 keyboard fail. And so what fail is this palm rest right here. It became really sticky and yucky, and so a lot of documentation online suggests some people suggest to use Armor All's bug and tar remover. I tried that, didn't work. And I went ahead and used this thing called Goo Glob. Didn't work either. So some other guys suggested to sandpaper down, and that's what I did. I sandpaper, got rid of all the stickiness and all the nasty thing out for pretty much about 99%. And so this thing was pretty easy to take out. There's 5 screws you see on the right here. It pops out pretty easily. And there's 1, 2, 3, and there's 5 of them on, 2 more on the other side there. What I did was to fix it was I went to the dollar store, got some black craft paper, and cut around the edges of this thing. And then just like this, and then you just put it on top, goes like this, and well, and then I'll go ahead and put packaging tape and seal the whole thing, and there you go. Problem solved for only 79 cents and more if you don't have sandpaper. That's it for now. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more re-engineering process fail videos. Have a great day.